Imagine this, the timeless black handbag, a staple in wardrobes for decades, now has serious competition. This fall, the spotlight shifts to a warmer, more inviting hue, chocolate brown suede. Yes, you read that right. A rich, earthly brown bag is about to become your new go-to accessory, and here's why. When we talk about fashion trends for the upcoming fall-winter season, chocolate brown is making waves as the it color, and it's not hard to see why. While black handbags have long been celebrated for their elegance and versatility, a brown alternative offers all of that sophistication with an added touch of warmth and texture. Think of it as the cozy sweater of the handbag world. It pairs effortlessly with almost everything in your closet while bringing a fresh, modern vibe. It's no wonder that fashion experts are calling it the must-have item of the season. This isn't just about bags, though. Brown is dominating the runways and street style scenes across the globe this fall. From chic jackets to stylish skirts and even footwear like boots, this versatile shade is everywhere. But if you're going to invest in one brown piece this season, let it be a chocolate brown suede bag. Why suede, you ask? Its soft, tactile surface adds an extra layer of interest and luxury to any outfit. Plus, the silhouette doesn't matter. Whether you prefer a structured tote or something more relaxed, like a slouchy bucket bag, there's a style to suit every taste. But here's where it gets interesting. This trend isn't just for the fashion-forward crowd anymore. During Copenhagen Fashion Week, nearly every influencer and editor was spotted carrying some version of a chocolate brown suede bag. Scroll through Instagram or Pinterest, and you'll notice the same thing. They're showing up on everyone, from boho-loving creatives to minimalist enthusiasts. Clearly, this accessory strikes a universal chord. If you're someone who loves the bohemian aesthetic, which, by the way, is another huge trend this fall, then consider opting for a maxi-sized suede bag with fringe details. On the other hand, if quiet luxury is more your speed, a sleek, structured tote in chocolate brown will elevate your everyday look without trying too hard. Either way, this bag promises to be both functional and fashionable, a winning combination for busy lifestyles. Still unsure how to incorporate this trend into your wardrobe? Don't worry. Styling a chocolate brown suede bag is easier than you might think. Pair it with neutral basics like cream sweaters, tailored trousers, or classic denim for a polished yet laid-back ensemble. Or lean into the 90s minimalism revival by teaming it with simple white sneakers and oversized blazers. The beauty of this accessory lies in its ability to feel simultaneously trendy and timeless. It's a rare piece that can work with virtually any outfit, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to refresh their wardrobe. And this is the part most people miss. While many trends come and go, a chocolate brown suede bag has staying power. Unlike flash-in-the-pan fads, this accessory feels rooted in tradition, while still feeling fresh and relevant. So, whether you choose a budget-friendly option like the JW Pay Nova bag or splurge on a designer piece like the Liffner buckled suede bucket bag, you're guaranteed to get plenty of use out of it. So, what do you think? Is the chocolate brown suede bag truly the heir to the classic black handbag throne? Or does the idea of replacing your trusted black bag spark resistance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear whether you're ready to embrace this seasonal shift or stick to the classics.